Look at that RVE. Whoa. I knew we were going to come up with a tractor at some point. I am really unbelievable. I go out the other day and I don't plug the audio in. I rode from home all the way to about 2 miles from the hotel in Wales, and I've left the lens cap on. But whenever I turn the GoPro on, I turned the Insta on, the 360. I swear I should give up this YouTube crap. Stupid move. Well, it's happened now. Shit happens. Robbie, you're a dumbass. Start double checking your shit when you put it together. But I just stopped quickly to get a drink. Although I'll probably head straight to the bar. Depending on what the other boys are doing. I might go and grab a shandy. Yes, we're on the map.
Turn right.
Is Llangowed. Hopefully I've got that right. Ooh, look at this. Okay, Siri's pronounced it differently. That's it from over there, look. I'm going to need to get a bigger bag so I can get the drone in. This would be fantastic to get some drone shots. There's a lovely old car outside. How lovely is this?
You've arrived at your destination.
Wow. Reserve parking. Not for us. Wow, just look at this. It's beautiful. Still got a tax disc from 2014. I've got a little card in there, can't see anything. Maybe it's their wedding car. Nice Bentley.
People coming.
Yes, there's two of the guys coming as well.
Thought me, I'm out of breath. I'll be having some of that later. Just stay at me, I'm fucking knackered.
Right, I was hoping to get some intercom footage, but it doesn't look like they're pairing up. So we're heading out tonight, or late this afternoon, because the weather for tomorrow is dire. Proper pants. Look at that. Now this bike's been remapped when you're in map 2. It just wants to pull your arms off. Slight twist on the throttle and it's like, yeah, let's go! Hold on, pussy! Look at that.
It was going to hit those sheep coming across.
Yeah.
I was waiting for one of them to move. Yeah.
Do you,
I was like, oh.
I try. You see, you're giving it the beans. I tried to sort of like say, slow it down, because the fuckers will walk out.
I know. And I was doing it, and I was like, no, they're going to run out. Let's slow it down.
That place that I told you about, Elan Valley, there's sheep everywhere.
Yeah.
And at night, because I've been up there at night,
Yeah.
they go to sleep in the middle of the road. Literally, it's completely pitch black.
You can just see a pile of sheep.
I've been up there test driving at night, and I've gone through there because you can't see fuck all. So you got your high beam on, and then you got sheep lying in the middle of the road asleep. Look at that. Look at that RVE. That's got a great paint job on that. So we don't come face on with a tractor. Now this is where I could have done with that nav working.
Yeah, I can hear it.
What's that?
The waterfall. He was looking for a waterfall. I just put in like viewpoints. Came up with a waterfall. Let's go up the hill,
Is that what it's saying? It's here?
Yeah, there's a waterfall.
Yeah, go see that waterfall. It's a little country road, he still pops the front up. I knew we were going to come up with a tractor at some point. Trust us. Because nobody in their right mind would would deliberately come down here on two wheels unless you're riding enduro. Out the back of that. Sketchy.
Nice.
Lads, if I don't say it any other time, that was an absolute fucking corker.
It was a stuncher, wasn't it?
Right then boys, nice meeting you. Take it easy. Sit down. We are definitely gonna get wet. And I still didn't clean my visor. Right then, anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching my bit of a shit show. Filming. GoPro issues, sat-nav issues. But anyway, thanks a lot. Take care and ride safe.